it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 7 of 10 in my 10 looks using one palette series. The palette I'm highlighting in this series is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette was a holiday palette, but I feel like a ton of people snagged it, so if you did, that's awesome. I'm super excited I got it. I knew that it was limited edition, so I had to get my hands on it, and I'm so happy that I did. I love the colors in it. I think they're beautiful. They blend out so nicely, and I just love them. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed with my Tarte Shape Tape and set with a powder. That is how I prime my eyes every time. First, picking up canvas. This is just a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm just laying that down as a transition shade. Once I have that color laid down, picking up Vivid on that same brush and lightly working that in above the crease. A blending brush, I'm just going to pick up Create, and that color is going above the crease as well. Taking that first blending brush and just diffusing out that color towards the brow. A round crease brush, just picking up Create and really packing that color into the crease. On that same brush, picking up Passion, really building that up in the crease and lower, leaving the center of the lid bare. That same brush, spraying that with a little bit of setting spray and picking up Forever. Placing that on the outer and inner corner close to the lash line. I really like that color a lot. Oh, were you blurred that whole time? Yeah, I really like that color. All of these colors, actually, I really like them. Very lightly blending that into the crease, picking up that blending brush and adding a little more of Passion into the crease just to make that crease a little more seamless. And then one more time with that first brush, just blending everything. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Picking up a packing brush and some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Just picking up a little bit of that on my brush and putting that right on the center of my lid. Very lightly creating a spotlight effect, I think is what it's called. And then I am going to pick up Snatched and spraying that to make sure it is extra vibrant. I am just adding that where we put the concealer. Taking that round crease brush and just blending out those edges and going right along the lash line. I don't know if I like the spotlight effect, so I'm just gonna go and do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. I don't know why this makes me think of like a clown with like the triangles right here. I don't know how I feel about it. I like the colors though. Like, I think they look so cool together. I just can't get the spotlight the spotlight effect to work on my eyes. Of course, your eyeshadow always looks weird before you put your lashes and your liner on. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm going to clean up under my eyes because there's... Okay, I think to fix this or make me like it a little bit better, I'm going to pick up that Snatched shade again and make it bigger. And just add that more on my lid. I have just come to terms with I probably will not ever be able to do a spotlight. Oh yeah, I like that a lot better. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just popped on some lashes. These lashes are weird. They're super weird. I don't know what I think about them. Okay, so I am going to go finish up the rest of my makeup, film a couple other videos, and I will be back to finish up the rest of my eyes. So I'm just going to pick up Vivid and smoke that out on my lower lash line. And then picking up Create, I'm putting that right next to the waterline, focusing that on the outer half. That's all I'm going to do for the lower lash line. Really simple. I'm just going to take whatever highlighter, and I use the Ofra Rodeo Drive, picking that up and using that as an inner corner highlight. Taking any beige shade from a contour palette or anything, just cleaning up under my brow. And then just popping on some mascara on the lower lash line. I'm using the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love how it turned out. I really love those pinky shades in this palette. I think they are gorgeous. I love how they look on the eye. They all blend out so beautifully together. I love it. I love this look. I really like how this turned out. So this is look number 7 of 10 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I can't believe we're almost done. This is the 3rd season of this series, and that's like insane to me. I love doing this though. It's like one of my favorite things to film. I'm filming a foundation wear test on this foundation, so if that is up, I will link it down below and in the eye over here, and if it's not yet, it'll be up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you're excited about this series. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.